Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your upper body just doesn't look balanced?
Maybe your chest looks fine, your arms are growing, but something about your shoulders feels flat or uneven.
Maybe every time you lift something overhead, even something light, your shoulder starts to ache a little.
Or if that sounds familiar, you're not alone.
A lot of people skip or rush through shoulder workouts without realizing how important they actually are. See, shoulders do a lot more than just make you look broad or athletic. They're one of the most active muscle groups in your entire upper body. Every time you lift, push, pull, or even carry groceries, your shoulders are working. The problem is, many people train their shoulders the wrong way, or they avoid them because they think shoulder workouts are complicated or dangerous. But when you understand how they work and how to train them safely, your whole upper body becomes stronger, more balanced, and less prone to injury. Let's make it simple. Your shoulders aren't just one muscle. They're made up of three main parts called the front, side, and rear deltoids. Think of them like three small engines that move your arm in different directions. The front part helps you lift things in front of you, like when you do push-ups or bench presses. The side part helps you lift your arm to the side, giving your body that wide, confident look. And the rear part helps you pull your arms back, which keeps your posture straight and your shoulders healthy. Now here's the mistake most people make. They overtrain the front part and completely forget the side and rear. That's why many people develop rounded shoulders or shoulder pain after a few months of training. The front gets stronger from all the pressing exercises, while the back stays weak, creating an imbalance. So if you want to build strong, pain-free shoulders, balance is everything. You don't need to lift heavy weights or use fancy gym machines. You can start with simple moves like shoulder presses, side raises, and reverse flies. For example, doing a few sets of dumbbell side raises 2 or 3 times a week can make a huge difference in how your shoulders look and feel.
If you don't have dumbbells, even using water bottles or resistance bands can work perfectly fine.
The key is to move slowly, control your motion, and focus on feeling the shoulder muscle work, not your neck or arms. Another thing most people don't realize is that strong shoulders protect your other joints. A weak shoulder often leads to elbow or neck pain because those areas try to take over when the shoulder can't handle the load. So training your shoulders doesn't just make you look better, it keeps your entire upper body healthier and more stable. If you work on a computer or phone all day, you probably have tight shoulders that roll forward. Shoulder workouts can fix that too. Strengthening your rear deltoids and upper back muscles helps pull your shoulders back into a natural position, improving your posture. Over time, that means less tension in your neck, fewer headaches, and better body alignment. So here's what you can do starting today. Add at least one shoulder exercise to your routine. If you're doing a push day, throw in some side raises at the end. If you're working from home, take a short break every few hours and do 10 arm circles forward and backward. Small, consistent habits like this will make your shoulders stronger, your posture better, and your upper body more balanced. To sum it up, shoulder workouts aren't just about building bigger arms or a V shape. They're about making your body function better in everything you do. Whether you're lifting a bag, reaching for a shelf, or doing push-ups, your shoulders are always involved. Train them right, and they'll reward you with strength, stability, and a confident posture that shows. So next time you hit the gym or even do a quick home workout, don't skip your shoulders. Give them the attention they deserve, because when your shoulders are strong, the rest of your body follows.